You're welcome to my humble abode.
But I beg you go do fast so I don't get time. Most now they work with time. If I start now, I go say Ashewo to the get pepper body. No get time.
Oh, why don't you go freshen up before we get to work?
But which kind of sort be that one now? No, which kind of nonsense talk be that? Before you tell me now, see how the smell. Now before you carry me for Joshua, I don't feel bad before I go work. And as I follow you talk like this now, I believe you should be the one to bait because as I enter here, the way you take the smell, all my life as Ashewo, I never perceive this kind of smell once.
Whatever. Okay, fine. Let me go freshen up.
No problem.
The blood of Jesus. The Salopwa who do me like this.
What did you see?
Madam, I don't see anything.
What did you see?
Madam, I don't see anything.
I'm sorry for that.
Wow. My baby boy. You see this? That is how I make my money. Oh. You think you will just stand by the road and see wealthy, independent ladies to come pick you up and pay you? No, darling. You lazy youth. All you want to do is to be looking for the quick option, the easy way out. Is it not youth like you that pack boxes, phone packs and all that? They go as far as pushing wheelbarrows, doing legit hustle. But you know, you want the easy way out. Standing by the road, doing Ashewo, looking for independent ladies to pick you up. And you think it's every lady out there that has legit money? How much of a luxury life can legit money give to you? If I'm working hard, do you think I'll bother picking you up? That's the luxury that attracted you.
Madam, beg no verse. This Ashewo they do so, madam, a condition. I no plan am, no be say I dey enjoy am. But I promise you, madam, if you just feel leave me, make I go this time, madam. I swear, I no go do Ashewo again. I no go do Ashewo again.
What do you mean by
It's
that?
condition. And Ashewo is the only way out?
I wonder.
Oh, you lazy idiot. This is my ritual. It's time for renewal.
The blood
I'm sorry you're the
of
lucky
Jesus.
victim. Go straight into that bed. Lie down. Spread it out so wide.
What do you mean by that?
And wait for mommy.
Mommy,
Because you will be sucking this. And this you were seeing here is what is also valid. You will suck the both of them. You will so lick the both of
The
them.
Salopwa who do me like this.
5 good hours. I'm sorry you have no option, darling. So go straight into the bed and spread up very wide. Mommy's coming.
No, wow. Some people don't do zero.
Jesus!
Is he inside?
This man